Doggy, what's going on, beautiful people? I pray that you are just doing incredibly well. So, have you ever wondered why most people never do their first real estate investing deal? So, on this video, I'm going to share with you three things that stop people from getting started in real estate investing and why most folks never do their first deal. So, this way, you don't fall into one of these three traps, okay? Before I dive in it, please like, subscribe, all of those amazing things. Share and comment below too if you've fallen in one of these categories. But number one is they wait until they feel ready. Listen, anything in life, you're going to be nervous about it. There's not been one single thing in your life that has happened amazingly that you feel 100% ready for, right? Whether that's starting a family, whether that's buying your first house or starting a new job or getting married, right? You can't wait till you feel ready or you're going to let amazing opportunities pass you by, right? And people feel like they need more knowledge, they need more money, they need more confidence. But what's crazy is confidence comes in the doing, okay? So stop waiting to feel ready and start taking action. Number two is people feel like they're going to mess things up or they're scared to mess things up. Okay. They feel like they're going to make a bad offer. They don't want to sound dumb on the phone or look stupid when asking questions. But at the end of the day, there's going to be a learning curve that you're going to go through. Just go through it, right? I shared this analogy with my community, and I want to share it with you. If that's, excuse me, I'm getting tongue twisted. Think about this. When you first got your driver's license, right? You didn't go straight down to the driver's license place and get your license. No, you went through this learning curve. You got in the car, you started driving, you hit some curbs. Remember when you were trying to parallel park for the very first time, right? You weren't the best at it, but over time, you started to get better, right? You didn't mess things up. You started to know how to drive, how to parallel park, and all of those things. The same thing's going to happen here. Don't think for 1 second that I have not messed up tons and tons and tons of calls. Do not think for 1 second I didn't make myself look like a fool trying to figure it out along the way. But I want you to give yourself some grace so that way, when you do mess up, you just keep moving forward. Okay. And then, third reason is they're trying to do it alone. Listen, real estate investing is a relationship based business. Okay. The more hands you shake, the more money you make, period. Right. Get connected to a coach, to a community, somebody that can pour into you. So this way, you have somebody that's already doing the thing that you're trying to accomplish, right? When you go to college, you normally get teaching from somebody that has experience in that field, in that career, right? The same thing applies. Do not shortchange yourself. I remember when I actually first got started, I went to YouTube University and I was trying to learn and figure this out all on my own. And I did it for 6 or 7 months on my own, getting absolutely nowhere. It wasn't until I got connected to my mentor and my coach that things started to click for me, that things started to take off for me, right? Because they gave me a blueprint on what to do and how to do it, right? So that's the most important thing when it comes to real estate investing. And then also, when you do make a dumb offer or you do mess something up, you have somebody there in your corner to help you fix those things and get things back on the right track. So I just wanted to share with you some of these three little simple pitfalls that I've seen so many new investors take. So this way, you can dominate this year and really kickstart your real estate investing journey and make the kingdom impact that you want to make. All right. So that's all I had to share with you today. I wanted to make this quick and to the point. Also, check the description links below for all of my upcoming events, and I will see you soon.